Shalom, it's Brother Montazal.
It's Brother Taziar.
Yeah, we in transit. We're going to do a quick little Passover video before we open up. I want to give all praises and glory and honor to Yahweh Ba'Shem Shai. Double honors to the apostles and the elders of Great Millstone and rule well. Peace and salutations to all y'all giving out here that's laboring in the truth and sincerity. And your aquafs that are learning in silence and in obedience. All right? Go ahead, brother.
This is Exodus chapter 12. I'm going to start at 5. Your lamb shall be without blemish, a male of the first year. You shall take it out from the sheep or from the goats, and ye shall keep it up until the 14th day of the same month. And the whole assembly of the congregation of Israel shall kill it in the evening. And they shall take up the blood and strike it on the two side posts and on the upper doorposts of the houses wherein they shall eat.
Right, Khan. So basically, they had to do that, for the death angel to pass over them, man. The Passover is not just something, to take lightly. This is not a day, a high holy day where we take lightly. This is a solemn assembly, okay? Because this is the day where our Lord, our power, Yahweh, delivered us out of the land of Egypt, man, through Moses, okay? And this was the instructions he told us to do, which was his last plague that he did on Pharaoh, okay?
Yeah, because he killed all the firstborn out of Egypt, the firstborn males out of Egypt.
That's right.
So it's symbolic, even with us having that male lamb without blemish, that's Yahweh Shai, man. Got a first year. That's Yahweh Shai. Let's see, it's Exodus 12 and 8. And they shall eat the flesh in the night, roast with fire and unleavened bread, and with bitter herbs they shall eat it. It says, eat not of it raw, nor sodden at all with water, or roast with fire, his head with legs, and with the pureness thereof. And ye shall let nothing of it remain until the morning, and that which remaineth of it until the morning ye shall burn with fire.
Right, calm, because it was just for that night.
Yeah.
Because we had to move with haste. And it's going to go into it even more. Okay, go ahead, read. It's like, the reason why we had to move with the haste is because we had to be ready to get up out of there. Moses said, come on, let's go. This is going to be our time to be let go. Because around that time, like the brother said, the firstborn of every male was being killed by the death angel. And that's why that blood was important to be put on your doorpost and above it on the lintel, so that death angel can pass by. And that was only for the nation of Israel. It's symbolic, and it's symbolic to the Lord. What he did, man. But we're gonna get into that in a minute. But go ahead, brother.
Exodus 12 and 11. And thus ye shall eat it with your loins girded, your shoes on your feet, and your staff in your hand. And ye shall eat it in haste.
Right.
It is Yahweh's Passover.
Right. It's the Most High's Passover, man. Passover from what, man? From death. That blood was the mark of exemption at that particular time for the whole nation of Israel. Okay? Go ahead.
Hold on.
Let's go on to it.
I believe I put this on airplane mode. There you go. And it says Exodus 12 and 12. For I will pass through the land of Egypt this night, and will smite all the firstborn in the land of Egypt, both man and beast, and against all the gods of Egypt I will execute judgment. I am Yahweh.
And why is that? Because they didn't have that mark, man. Read it again, Mama Kusha.
This is Exodus chapter 12, verse 12. For I will pass through the land of Egypt this night, and will smite all the firstborn in the land of Egypt.
Of the land of Egypt. You know, of the Egyptians, man. The Heavenly Father smited them. Okay?
You see, at that time, all of Israel put that doorpost over their
put that blood
over their doorpost. You know, because he made that was the exemption mark, man. But this time he said only 2/3 of Israel is going. Only 1/3 of Israel is going to be with that mark of exemption.
Right, Khan. Yeah. That's a good point to bring up. You know, going back to the book of Ezekiel 9. He said, as a matter of fact, if you can hold that and get that real quick, just to make that point, go to the point. You know what I'm saying? Who's gonna get that mark? It's them who sign cry. You know.
Ezekiel 9:4. And Yahweh said unto him, go through the midst of the city, through the midst of Jerusalem, and set a mark upon the foreheads of the men in Zion that cry.
Right, the mark, and that's that mark of exemption, man. Of them that sign cry for what? What they sign and crying for? You know, go ahead.
It says, let me start back. Ezekiel 9:4. And Yahweh said unto him, go through the midst of the city, through the midst of Jerusalem, and set a mark upon the foreheads of the men that Zion that cry, for all the abominations that be done in the midst thereof.
Right, all the abominations that's being done in the midst thereof, man. In the midst of what? In the midst of our people, man. In the midst of our cities, in our communities. Our people, man, they're going to hell off, man, sinning against the Heavenly Father, man. In this particular time. That's why only the elect is going to receive that mark. That he says, set a mark in the foreheads of them that sigh and cry. You know what I'm saying? Of the abominations thereof, of the wickedness that's done, man. All the homosexuality and the eating abominable foods and committing adultery, just being wicked, man. Those are the 2/3 of Israel that's going to be destroyed, man. Not to get off topic, just wanted to bring up this point. Okay? Only the elect is going to receive that mark this time, and we're going to get into that. Go ahead, brother. Back to where you was at in Exodus. Unless that was it. Was that it on Exodus?
Yeah.
Go back, go get that out of Luke. Bear with us real quick. Got it? What's the opposite? Luke 22 and 19. This is Luke. Chapter 22, verse 19. And he took bread and gave thanks and brake it and gave unto them, saying, this is my body, which is given for you. This do in remembrance of me. Right, because it's symbolic, you know what I'm saying, to the Passover, man. You know, so this is what the Lord is breaking down, man. You know, basically, they're still keeping the Passover, man. You know, but we're doing it in this way now. to remember our Lord and our Savior, Yahweh Shai. Okay? Salakia, who came to redeem us. Just like how Moses came to redeem us. The Lord, he came to redeem us with his own blood, man. He became that sacrificial lamb. Okay? Go ahead, brother.
Yeah, because this is the second Passover, man. And what we trying to pass over? We trying to pass over this Egypt.
That's right.
All right? This land of captivity that we in.
Right, this destruction is coming.
But who's going to do it for us, man? Yahweh Shai.
Yep.
All right? He's that perfect lamb without blemish. All right? It says Luke 22:20. Likewise, also, the cup after supper, saying, this cup is the New Testament in my blood, which is shed for you. But behold, the hand of him that betrayeth me is with me on the table. And truth, matter of fact, shall I go up?
Go ahead, go
up. Luke chapter 22, I'm going to start at 13. And they went and found as he had said unto them, and said, they made ready the Passover. And when the hour was come, he sat down, and the 12 apostles with him. And he said unto them, with desire I have desired to eat this Passover with you before I suffer. For I say unto you, I will not any more eat thereof until it be fulfilled in the kingdom of the power. And he took the cup and gave thanks and said, take this and divide it among yourselves. For I say unto you, I will not drink of the fruit of the vine until the kingdom of the power shall come. And he took the bread and gave thanks and brake it and said, and gave unto them, saying, this is my body, which is given for you. This do in remembrance of me.
Right, Khan. So basically, this is what makes this as a solemn assembly, man. The Passover is not a party, man. It's not just a lamb dinner. Okay? This is a solemn assembly, man. This is something we're supposed to have been doing from generation to generation, man. Even all the way up until this very day. You know? This is not the time, the Passover is not for the time to be, in a spirit of mirth. This is the time to be solemn, okay? And do it in remembrance of our Lord, who became that perfect sacrifice for the whole nation of Israel, man. Go ahead.
Oh, that was all.
That's it on that? You got anything else? With that, hey, this is a short video, man. Just a little exhortation. This is not a lamb dinner, but the Passover is a solemn assembly, man. With that, we give all praises and glory and honor to Yahweh, Ba'ashem, Yahweh Shah, Ba'ashem, Rukar Kodash. Double honors to our apostles and those of Great Millstone that rule well. Peace and salutations to all you Akim out there that's laboring in this truth, the truth of sincerity, and your Aquas that's sitting at home learning in obedience and silence. Shalom.
Shalom.